So this is the remote control DE49 2.4GHZ system car. Here's the switch for it. I'm going to turn it on. And you can see the lights are flashing. Here's the remote control for it. This is the power button. This is auto mode. This is to turn the lights on and off. This is to turn the car right and left. And this is to move the car back and forward. So when I press this power button, the lights in the car will stop flashing. Watch. See? The lights in the car stop flashing. Really cool. So that was the remote control DE49 2.4GHZ system car. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.